Hey, are you thinking about buying a new car? I have a way for you to buy a car without buying a car. Now, if I can show you how to keep your old 2014 Camry with 155,952 miles and buy a new car at the same time, would you like to learn how I did that? Raise your hand. Make sure you subscribe. Engineer, most YouTube videos in the world, over 8,950, works on teaching professional engineers, science, and technical people how to build their presence on the internet. So make sure you subscribe. Let's get down to business. This is how I'm going to buy a new car without buying a new car. I've been doing the calculation. You're looking at $887 a month for 60 months. That's if I'm buying a $50,000 car, $15,000 down, and I finance for was it 60 months or something? So then it's with whatever excellent credit, 887 in a month. It's just an estimate I came up with. At least $200 to $300 for the paying, $154 for my 2014 Camry. That's through Fred Loyola. I don't know what it would be going through Allstate. It was about $150, close to the same amount. What I got with that, my increase from the Fred Loyola is what I was paying for my car already, like $889 every 6 months. Then what people do not budget, you're looking at least $300, put $300 a month away for maintenance. Because even when I had to do Meeper, if there are no loaner cars, you either got to rent a car or Uber. Now Uber is more expanded than it was, so maybe you could take Uber and leave your car in the shop for a while. Or you may have to rent a car. Rent a car, you're looking at least $15 a day. Maybe use your own insurance. And that's if you can only keep your car in for 5 days. So try that. So basically I came up with $887 plus $300 plus another $300. So that's $600. You guys help me with my math. $300 a month for maintenance, $300 for insurance, and then $900. So basically, boy, it's more than I thought. $1,500, like $1,487. So what I want you to do, like I'm going to do, put $1,487 away for a month. That's it. You want a new car? That's your new car. You don't even go get the car. Just put it away, put it away, put it away. See how your finances are impacted. And then in 3 years or 2 years, or hey, 1 year, if you have found new ways to increase the money and get yourself an extra $1,500, then go buy yourself a car. But now if you feel yourself struggling every time you put that $1,487 away each month, maybe you need to take a break on buying a new car. So you want to buy a new car, use this trick. Just put the car money away, monthly payment, insurance, maintenance. Put it all away into a separate account. And then see how you feel every month when you're like $1,500 going to that car. The car's eating better than you. Let me know what you think. Try that.